Good afternoon, this is Jorge with Black Diamond Iron Doors. Today we installed a Light 3 double with side lights. This is the finished product. It's 124 by 81 inches. Before anything is installed, the first piece of the puzzle that is installed is a main frame. This one right here is already leveled, horizontal and vertical. What they had to do is cut out the sheetrock to have it basically flat against the 2x4 or the beam. I know you see two holes there, but we only recommend installing one. That way you have enough space to be adjusted, or the frame to be adjusted when the doors are installed. Because if you put two bolts on them, you don't have the space to move it basically. The side light is a 26 by 81. So basically measure the side to make sure that it's 26 inches. In order to connect the side light with the frame, we already have cut out holes on the side, and the bolts are already provided by the manufacturer. So you wouldn't have to go out of your way and buy some more. So this is a finished product, putting the doors up with the side light, the frame up with the side light. So as I mentioned, one lag bolt per tab, just in case once the doors goes up and for some reason it's rubbing, we can loosen them up, top, bottom, and the very top, and move everything accordingly to where it basically needs to go. For the side lights, bolts already going in the holes that goes in the frame. And if you're worried about the holes being open, we provide you with caps to cover them. There you go. We just installed both doors. This door fit perfect. Let's see, there's nothing wrong with it. But this one, the main door, rubs on top of the frame, as you can see. So what the manufacturer does, they add a washer in between the hinges just for it to be basically, aligned.
116.
Yeah, so all we have to do is just take the door off, remove the washer, and it should fit perfect. But what this contractor did, he took the lag bolt on top, took it off, and then filled that hole that was in there with another piece of wood. And then he shimmed a flathead here to push the frame up, and then put the lag bolt back up to pull the frame up. That way the door does not hit anymore when you close it. As you saw in the previous clip, the door was not latching onto the fixed door. But what we did, these doors already come with pre-installed roller latches. In order for these to come out, you have these two screws here. Not the very top, not the very bottom, but the two in the middle. These two screws have to turn clockwise for them to come out, both the top and the bottom. Not every door is the same, so you will have to adjust accordingly to the door you have and to the gap that you have between each door in order for it to latch. As you see this door. So this is the finished product of a Light 3 124 by 81 inches with side lights.